Hello students, so this is Vishal sir from PrepAlly, and now we are back again with some very informational details. So now the most of the exams are over. NEET happened yesterday, and JEE Advance is just 2 weeks from now. Now most of the engineering exams will about to get over. BITSAT will be there in few days. So now it's very important that we should be ready with all the future options that we got. We need to see what all colleges we can join. We need to see what all degrees we can get. And the most important thing is what's relevant for the future. Because many times we go for a certain place just for the sake of degree, but its real world relevance will be little less. Especially now the technology is a very dynamic stage. It is changing, AI is coming, and the new fields are also emerging. So it's very important that we focus on what's important, what will be of high future growth. So keeping that in mind, we have come up with a very important details about IIT Madras BS course in data science. So we'll talk about it today. So if I talk about the IIT Madras BS course on data science, all right. So this is a 4-year course. I'll talk about more details about it. First, let me just go through the basics of it. Now, the mode of this course is mostly online. So there'll be very few days in which they have an option to go offline. But yes, majorly we can say it's a online course from IIT Madras. And JEE is not required for these courses. In fact, there is one entry through JEE also. We'll talk about that in detail later on. And the best part of this course is that there are multiple exit options. So this course is designed based on how a lot of foreign universities, especially in US, offer the courses. So it's designed based on that. So this is about IIT Madras BS Data Science course. Now, the reason we are talking about this course today is because to get into this course, it's relatively much easier than JEE, or to get into IITs through JEE Advanced. Because if I talk about IIT through JEE Advanced, it's a very intense competition. There are 15 lakh student writing and hardly there are 15,000 seats. Plus, another advantage of this course is that this course is on data science, which is a very important emerging domain right now. So be it data science, AI, ML, they are all interrelated, and this is where the world is moving right now. So that's why it's very important. Now, the benefit as I was talking about, although it's an online course, but this course, it have launched only 5 years back, but it have rapidly gained a lot of prestige across the world. Students who are doing this course, they are getting very good placements. And I've told the data science is a very emerging field. And we have seen students getting very good packages of like 20-25 lakhs and so on. So now the best part of this course is that because this is an online course, a student can take it as an additional course. Now, what do I mean by that? Now, many of you students right now have written JEE, are about to write JEE Advanced. You are looking for other colleges. Now, definitely this course on its own alone itself is a very good course to do because it have a very good future prospects. But yes, let's say if a student gets an admission in some college, let's say a student getting admission in NIT Tirchi. Now, let's say they have taken a course over there through the JOSA counseling. Now, the best part of this course is because it's an online course, so they can take it as an additional course. So it's parallelly they are doing 2 degrees, not 1 degree. And doing 2 degrees will definitely have a lot of advantage. Let's say they are doing a degree in mechanical, plus they are doing a degree in data science, so they'll have more options in the future. They can either go in a domain of pure data science in the future or mechanical, or they can also go in the domain which is mix of both. In fact, we have seen rapid rise in world about this mobility. A lot of EVs are coming, a lot of drones are coming. I have seen like people are planning to make flying cars. So the thing is, if the student have this diversified knowledge, it is very how should I great asset in this dynamic world. So definitely it can be taken as an additional degree. So they will be getting 2 degrees. As I told, it's a 4-year program. But yes, just because this program is online, that doesn't mean that it will be like a something which will they will get easily. They have to work hard for it, earn the degree, and ensure that you have the right knowledge. Because knowledge, the skills are more important in the real world. No matter what degree they have to actually apply that in the real world. So it is something which require dedication. It is something which require sincere effort. And when the student go through this process of sincere effort for 4 years, apart with the degree, they are going to learn very great skills. So, as I've told earlier, this course will give them the option to attend few offline classes, but it's majorly online. In fact, those are the option. It's not necessary that should go for offline classes. So that is why I said that they can do parallelly with their another degree. So they'll be getting 2 degrees in this. Another good thing is there is no age requirement. So it's not like only for the students of grade 12 who can do that, or the student who are graduating right now. In fact, a working professional, someone like me, can also enroll for this course. So, so that is why this course is a lot in high in demand. Now, some students have asked me, sir, then why not join it later? See, the thing is, if you join it early, let us say when you graduate after 4 years, you will be having 2 degrees. It will be of immense value. As soon as you start, like finish your college, you want to work in a company, you want to do research, it will be great asset. Yes, you can do it later on also, but my strong suggestion is that do it parallelly. It's about your future. So do it better. And I've told you it's like an extra upskill. So it's not necessary that only the student who have just or are have written their board exams are supposed to do that. Anyone can apply for it. As I've told, now this field, that is data science, machine learning, ML, and AI, they're emerging domains. We have seen since ChatGPT have come after that, there's been a big AI race among big companies, and it is totally changing the entire landscape of IT field. So it's a it's a very good course, but yes, I'll suggest that those students who are getting already good course in any college, try to take these 2 degrees. And I've told you anyone can join this course, but yes, they should have kind of mathematics background to join this course, because data science will be will be mathematics, statistics, and computational thinking. Now, what are the different entries? Like how anyone can take admission in it? So there'll be two type of entries for this course in data science. The one entry, that is a regular entry, will be through a qualifier exam. So what the student can do, they can register for a 4 week coursework. So there'll be a 4 week coursework that the IIT Madras will be conducting. And based on that, they will be conducting an examination. Now this examination will have basically these four, you can say, topics or parameters. That will be English, statistics, mathematical knowledge, as well as computational thinking. So I guess English, statistics, maths is all of you are aware about. I'll tell you what exactly is computational thinking. So computational thinking is the process of how to break down in problem into step by step and thinking in a way that how a computer will do. So I'll take a very like a small example. So let us say if you want to sort numbers, we have number 1 to 10. They are randomly arranged, not in increasing order, decreasing order. So how to sort this? So what will be step one? Step one means I'll be comparing first two numbers. I'll see which one is smaller. I'll put that on the left. Then I'll take second and third. So this process called computational thinking. So for all the papers, they'll be cut off of 40% individually and total 50%. So if anyone after this 4 week of courseware is able to get this marks, they will be qualified to take this program of BS in data science at IIT Madras. Another entry point is through JEE. So anyone who's eligible to write JEE Advanced can directly take admission for this course. So as I've told earlier, although yes, they can take those students who have written JEE mains this year, they can take direct admission, but it's not only limited to them. Even someone like me can also enroll for this course. And yes, people are enrolling for this course. There are many people across, not just in India, across the globe, they are registering for this course because it's a very good course. Now, as I've told you, there are multiple exit options. So what do I mean by exit option? I'll talk about that in detail over here. So it's, as I've told, it's a 4 year program. So in that 4 year program, the year one is called foundation. Second year is like a diploma. Third year is like a BSc degree, and the fourth year is a BS degree. So a student can leave the program at any point of time. They can just do the foundation. They'll get a certification for foundation. They can do diploma. Diploma also they can do multiple diplomas, like one diploma, two diploma, like that. They can finish for 3 years, get a BSc degree, and do for 4 years and get a BS degree. Although my strong suggestion is anyone who have enrolled for this course, preferably finish it, get a BS degree, because the more knowledge and the more exposure you get, the better will be the future prospects. Now, uh, these multiple year also follow the credit system. So in fact, in the entire IITs, they follow the credit system, be it even in BTech, MTech. So what exactly is credit is that every course will have few credit. Let us say if the student is learning a maths course in their first semester. So let's say they will have to have like a 4 credit. Now, credit might vary depending on the course, but I'm taking a rough average 4 credit. So the thing is they have to finish certain number of courses to get that certification. Now, few courses will be compulsory. Like just like in the school, it will be compulsory for a science student to take English, physics, chemistry. Whereas few courses will be optional, like they can take either maths, bio, like I'm just giving an example of 11, 12 because they're more relevant. So similarly, they can choose for it. But the idea is they have to get credit. So every course when they finishes, they get passing marks in the examination, they get a credit. So they require 32 credit to do foundation course, which roughly is done in 1 year. And the fees for that is 32,000 rupees. Now they have an option for doing foundation plus one diploma. That means they need to finish 59 credits. Like roughly you can say around 15 courses they have to finish. The fees will be 94,500. They can do foundation along with two diplomas. So for that they have to do 86 credit, and the fees will be around 157,000. For the BSc degree, they have to finish 114 credit. Fees will be around 2020, 2,25,000. And similarly for the BS degree, it will be 142 credit and fees will be around 3,50,000. Now, although I have mentioned the fees, it's not like they have to pay it at one time. It's like for the first year, you'll pay something, second year, third year, like that, just like in every college. So this is the amount of courses they need to finish to get this degree at IIT Madras BS Data Science. So the last date to apply for this is on 20th May and the exam date, the qualifier exam will be on 13th July. As I've told, those students who have qualified for JEE Advanced, they will get a direct entry in it. Now, the important question comes whether you should join or not. So I suggest that uh, it is better to join if a student can manage their time really well. So I've given earlier the example that let us say if a student is getting a seat in NIT, Tirchi, they are getting a mechanical. Uh, it will not be very easy to do it because they are doing for two different courses, but it's not very difficult as well. So I tell this to students that preparing for JEE require much more time than like it's not like it's very easy in the college, but the thing is it will be more manageable if they have managed their JEE preparation really well. So my strong suggestion is that anyone who's pretty much sure that they want to take or they are getting computer science or they are getting marks in mock tests in such a way that they're sure that they'll get computer science in top IITs, maybe for them it might not be required because when they learn computer science, it will be more or less they will be covering these things. But any students who is not opting for computer science or maybe feels that they might not get computer science, I think it's a good choice to pick for so that they can get 2 degrees. It's an online course. It can be managed parallelly and it gives a lot of like it opens more doors for the future. So this is about IIT Madras BS Data Science course. I would want that all of you should apply for it, and we are there to help out the students. And you can reach out to us if in case you need any help. You can also comment on this video, and we will get back to you if you have any queries. So all the best to all of you, and do really well in JEE Advanced for all those who are writing JEE Advanced, and wish you all the best and a very bright future. We'll be also coming soon with a video about JOSA counseling, and we'll be also releasing a video on TNEA counseling system. So thank you all and all the best to the students.